welcome to the vlogs! Thank you, Lord, for everything. This beautiful place here in San Miguel, Leyte. This is Sean Haven, the Mawud Pawud. Yes.
Hi guys!
Parking area. Oh, it's PWD friendly. Pag may mga wheelchairs or carts, pwede dito. Okay. So may orientation sila before mag-check-in.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. My name is Jenny, tas yun naman ni Marjorie.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon.
So, ang atong cortina, ma'am, bawal yan manual, gagamitan natin yung remote. Adin aton closed, adin aton post, adin po an aton open.
Okay. Let's try. Oh, okay. Okay.
Tapos may nakita complimentary, ma'am, to ba wine and roscas product.
Oh, wow, really nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, sige.
Tapos adin nga switch, ma'am, at pinagawas nga niya sulod na mga lights. Pamindutan na na itong
Sige.
Tapos nga kita halo.
Okay, sige. Sige. Di-discover ko na lang mga switches.
Pan-on na lang ang ma'am.
Okay. Ah, oh.
May ada kita ma'am 3 beds, usa nga king, duha nga double. Tapos may dakita complimentary, tubaway,
Okay.
Sleepers and then tab kit. Tapos
Oh,
may
nice.
dakita bath towel, 7 pieces.
Okay.
Tapos may dakita remote and aircon.
Okay.
Tapos adi po natin balcony.
Okay. Oh, okay. Cute.
Tapos ma-remind lang ko ma'am, bawal kita ni stain.
Stain, yeah, of course.
Bath towel, tapos comforter, pillowcase.
Yes.
Balik po kita ubos.
Okay.
Yes ma'am, complimentary.
Wi-Fi password, mga remote, adin remote natin aircon. Duhanan nyo sini mga to kitchen tapos nga ni po. Tapos adin remote yung DVD, speaker, adin remote yung TV.
DVD speaker TV.
Yes. May ada kita Netflix ma'am, pag pwede din natin ilog-out na natin Netflix.
Okay.
Tapos kung gusto niya mag-sing along ma'am, AV1.
AV1. Okay.
Tapos may dakita didi, songbook ng mic.
Okay.
Tapos adin natin speaker ma'am, din hila po hiya, bawal po hiya gawas. Tapos ang iya mode line mode.
Ready now. Line in.
Automatic nito yan ma'am. Adi po natin volume.
Kanan connected na hiya TV.
Yes. Tapos nga di kita ha master bed. Pahinay na kita natin na accordion ma'am. Okay, paano ko magburog lang. Makahold na natin sa pwede di ba? Add to my switch liwat ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos may ada kita didi. Laundry bin, laundry bag, and sleeper.
Okay.
Tapos alin mga pillow, ma'am, at na pool area, ginsunod na naman kay kada kulot na uran. Tapos kung mauran, ma'am, pasunod na na.
Okay.
Tapos alin nga switch liwat, ma'am, nga white, nga tinatubangan, tapos iniya. Mani.
Okay.
Tapos alin liwat nga switch, nga din nga pool area, tapos nga din nga side.
Okay.
Nga din kita CR. Adin atong toilet area. Adin atong pang-boys, ma'am, pa-more push po kita. Para more water, kaya may tendency nga nagpapang. May dakita complimentary. Adin atong shower area. Tapos, may dakita dito bath towel, 3 pieces. Nga to haigbaw is 7 pieces. Bali 10 pieces ka lang. Tapos, 3 pieces nga, hand towel. Tapos, 4 pieces na face towel. 3 pieces na foot towel. Atong foot towel, mabawal nila pagpunas na talaga yan, tiin.
High foot towel.
Ano yan?
Adi and hand.
Face.
Oh, face towel.
Ano hand.
That's my dryer. Okay.
Nandito kita kitchen, ma'am. May takita rin. Utensil. Ang atong teaspoon, 9 pieces. Tapos, ang atong te. Kompleto na eh.
Direct pa. 12 and then 13.
Ang atong spoon, ma'am, is 12 pieces. Ang atong pork is 14 pieces. 14. Tapos, bread knife, 4 pieces and 1 tong. Tapos, may takita dili. Mga tasa, ma'am, usang pitchel.
Okay.
Alin natin servings.
Okay.
Tapos, alin natin gamit panluto.
So,
Alin natin baso, 16 pieces. Anaton 13. Anaton pinggan is 13 pieces. Anaton platito is 12 pieces.
Plato
sa
ng 13.
platito.
Okay.
Tapos alin natin stove, ma'am, papush po kita para
Okay. Push and turn. Ini pwede mo gamit ito na, no?
Yes,
Rice
po.
cooker. Okay. Lamay lang, oh.
Alin natin na shower, ma'am, haligi. Tapos may makikita doon haligi. Tapos alin natin yung pinto. Kaya ka mo hiniring mga amugaw na natural stone.
Natural.
Stone. Tapos may nakita si mga to. Dito na.
Pero hindi ka fit.
5 na din, ma'am.
Okay.
Natipang ka. Balik kita na rin, ma'am. Tapos may ada kita mo kikopi, ma'am.
Alin na lang ito. Cha-charge tayo.
Kung may kailangan ka mo, ma'am, tawag la po. Palong press la adi, ma'am, habang nagyayakan. Tapos pabuli una lang ka, ma'am, pangyakan.
Habang nagyayakan, press. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay na po ang channel ito, ma'am. Channel na natin.
Okay.
Tapos pasay na lang yung takuhan ni ma'am.
And then
Kung
3K
tawag ini?
security deposit.
Rostas.
Refundable on checkout.
Free tas margarine.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Pwede na. Yeah, this is complimentary. Yeah.
Oh, very good. You like?
So today we are celebrating Kaylee's birthday in advance because Uncle Saku is still here. He won't be here for Kaylee's birthday, so that's why. So here's my sister. We got here my sister and she was kind enough to cook for us for today. Menudo. Gintakluban lang natin guys because grabe ang langaw. So that's one thing that you have to consider when you... I don't know if it's season lang, but right now na adi kami, super damot langaw as in super. Because it's very windy. Unfortunately, right now we are experiencing LPA, low pressure area here in our region. Kapalit-palit and everything. So, we decided na didinela. Since kami-kami lang din naman, family lang. Pero mo pa yung tanga to kasi syempre, may mga tables, ganyan. Syempre, kumain na din kami. Masarap kumain sa mga ganitong lugar. Very relaxing. Except the langaw, charot. They actually gave us a walkie-talkie. Just in case we need anything, we can call them. But only until 10 p.m. because of course, they need to rest. But so far, we got everything that we need naman. And we're only staying here for a night. And it's pretty big, actually. If you guys are into big parties, this place is probably going to be perfect for your next event. The view is amazing. Right now, maulan because of the LPA. I can see the mountains and the beach view. It's still wonderful. So how much more, diba? If maganda yung weather. Na-imagine ko na. So I pray, Lord, give us a good weather tomorrow. Mag-inquire na lang kayo para sure kasi baka mag-change din sila ng rate. So, diba? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm gonna show you more of Kaylee's birthday celebration on the next vlog. See ya.